Hello, everybody. I just wanted to take a minute to show you all how to use the Google Slides in Google Classroom to create notes on because of the fact that we are no longer using the digital notebook this semester. So you really have two options, but they both start out by opening up the document. So let's go ahead and go to Google Classroom, click on the Classwork tab, and then you're going to go down to whatever day you want to take notes on. So let's say we want to take it on Monday. We're doing this on the night before or the morning of class. You will open up the slide document. Now from here, you can see that you're able to see the notes, but you're not able to write directly on top of them. So there are two options. If you would like to do digital notes, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here, you're going to go to File, and you're going to go to Make a Copy, and you're going to copy the entire presentation. You can title it whatever you want. I'm going to leave it as this just so I remember what it's called and what it's a copy of, and it will open up in a new tab. This copy is now my own. I own it. So as I'm watching Mr. Albert and Ms. Gonzalez instruct, I can add notes. I can do that down here to the bottom. I can add a text box anywhere on the slide. And that will allow me to take digital notes just exactly like the digital notebook allowed us to do before. If you're not a big fan of a digital notebook or digital notes and you would rather have a hard copy, a hard sheet of paper where you can actually write on with a pencil or a pen, I will show you that next. So if you would like to create a note sheet that you actually write on with your pencil, you're going to have to print this document. So let me show you how to do that that's best suited to take notes on. You're going to go right here to File again, but this time you're going to go way down to the bottom where it says Print Settings and Preview. Not Print, but Print Settings and Preview. If you click on that, it brings up this menu up at the top. Depending on how much paper you want to use, there are a couple options. You will click right here where it says one slide without notes, and you can pick the option that is best suited for you. One slide with notes is great, as you can see here. It provides the slide on the top half of the page and then leaves the bottom half empty where you can jot down anything you want after you've printed it, right? You can handwrite it. The other option would be the different slides per page. So if you want, like, for example, 2 slides per page, you can see that this saves a little bit of paper. You put 2 slides on each page, but it limits the amount of space you have to write. So this is a great option if you would like to write directly on top of the slide, just like Mr. Albert does when he teaches the period. Okay? Once you have picked your favorite format that you think will work best for you, all you have to do is click right here where it says print and then follow the normal printing procedures that you have, picking your printer at your house, hit print, go get it off the printer, and then have it ready for class, which will allow you to write directly on it and annotate it that way. Okay, if you have any questions on either of these options, please let Ms. Gonzalez or Mr. Albert know. And remember, you're always welcome to do it on your own personal notebook if that's what you prefer. Thanks.